In this video, we are going to see Thevenin theorem. What is the use of Thevenin theorem? It is used to solve the network problems. So first point, but all analyses are used to solve the network. Then what is the special of this Thevenin theorem? It is used to simplify the circuit into one source and one element. Here, this theorem can reduce the can reduce to simple equivalent circuits which have one source and one resistor, and again load resistor is connected through it. Load impedance or load resistor connected across it. What is the importance of Thevenin's theorem? This theorem can reduce to simple equivalent circuits which have one source and one resistor. Then why we need this reduction? Because here load resistor or load impedance may change its value. Suppose the load resistor may change the value, then all time if we use other networks, if we use other techniques, those take time and make complex in solving. So this load resistor may change its value. If you use this Thevenin's theorem, then it is simplified into one source and one resistor. If we change this load resistor also, that won't affect on our solving. Now let us see statement of Thevenin's theorem. What actual Thevenin's theorem states that? It states that any complex circuit is simplified into simple circuit which is equivalent circuit, which consists of one voltage source and equivalent resistance which is connected across the load. So now it states that it is possible to simplify any complex linear or bilateral two-terminal network or circuit with its equivalent circuit. Means of containing one voltage source and equivalent resistance in series to load, where voltage obtained between the terminals of load is called Thevenin's voltage. VTH means Thevenin's voltage, and equivalent resistance without load between the terminals, which is called terminals of load, is called RTH. So final circuit look like this, which is VTH and equivalent resistance, which is named as RTH, nothing but Thevenin's resistance, and load, which is RL. So final circuit should obtain like this, because here the load resistor may change. Here this load resistor may change its value. Then all time, if you use other techniques, those take time and make complex in solving each time of changing value of load.